Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser and welcome to In the Cut, where we watch all the different kinds of lasers we have across many different applications. In today's application, we're doing a flask because this week is all about wine and spirits. So in the spirit of the juice, we're doing a flask for Megan. And we're doing it on our 50-watt Galvo fiber laser. If you don't know what that is, that means it can engrave into metals, unlike the CO2 where you'll need special materials to be able to mark on top of metal. So we're going to engrave on metal right now. If you want to see it, come check it out. It's happening right now. Now what's cool about the fiber Galvo is that the Galvo setup are mirrors on motors, and that's why it doesn't have a gantry. It's just sitting there, as you can see behind me. It just sits there, and then the motors throw these mirrors that move the actual laser source, which is a fiber laser, and that's with fiber optic cables. Now with fiber lasers, again, you can do metals, you can do polycarbonates, you can do all kinds of plastics, and it's great for the firearms industry because you can get the ATF engraving for that firearm part. So it's a legit engraving, and you can get all kinds of different colors on top of actual materials, because what it's doing is changing the actual top of the material and changing how it reflects light. So you actually can get different colors with the fiber laser. And I'm good. I'm just going to sit in the corner right here until it's done. Now it's just going to do an additional pass, clean that all up, and this is called a thermal marking, so it's actually dark. I wanted this engraving to be nice and deep and dark. Most of the time a typical engraving's got a nice metal look to it, so I wanted a dark engraving for Megan's flask. Alrighty. So we have the finished flask. I think it looks pretty good. We'll take a picture of it and post it on our social media if you don't follow us. So there it is. It took a little longer because I wanted it nice and deep, deep engraving. You can see that first pass made it look pretty good. So if you're interested in the fiber or want more information, please contact sales@fullspectrum.com. And until next time, guys, keep making.
Hey everybody, I'm Walker. Make sure to subscribe to our channel or keep watching the videos. Oh, Scott.